Photography competitions don't judge you. They judge one image on one day. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. Competitions can feel intimidating, and they're certainly not for everyone. But if you approach them with the right mindset, they can make you a stronger photographer. And here's the thing, most judges aren't looking for technical perfection. They're looking for intent. Like, does your image have a clear idea? Does everything in the frame support that idea? Does it create an emotional response of some sort? And does the style match the story you're actually trying to tell? And the important part is that judges are comparing your image to the others in front of them on that particular day, not to you as a person. So if your image doesn't place, that is not a verdict on you. It's feedback based on context, taste, the brief, and the judging panel. So use it as information, not as an insult, because that's how photographers continue to grow. Every image you enter teaches you something, and that lesson is far more valuable than any trophy. So if you got something from this, check out episode 10 of the Ultimate Checklist series here. That'll help you see your photography differently. And if you'd like to grow alongside a supportive community of photographers, come and join us in the Photography Foundation's community. Scan the QR code to take you there. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.